Hi guys, welcome back. Today we're going to make slime with our Dollar Tree slime kit. If you remember from our haul, we had 3 colors, purple, pink, and blue. Today I think I'm going to make purple. So let's go ahead and move these out of the way. These were again only $1.25, and it comes with the glue, the activator, and some glitter. And they are ages 8+. So let's go ahead and we will get this one open. We do need a bowl to mix everything in so we don't make quite a big mess. So let's get started and I'll rip this open and we can get going. Okay, let's get it open. I can never get packages open the first time. Here we go. There's the glue, the nice purple glue, the bottle of activator, and the nice little tube of glitter. That's a really pretty purple glitter. And let's just move this stuff out of the way. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is open up the glue. So now to save time, I'm just going to pull the whole top off, and there's a little blocker in there, so let me get that off. And it's a little stuck. Hold on. There we go. And we're going to go ahead and pour all the glue in. Look at that beautiful color. So translucent. I love it. It's a nice purple, a nice bluish purple. So let's go ahead and get that all out. Look at those bubbles. Pop, pop. Perfect. Oh, it's still a little bit of glue in there. That's okay. We'll get it all out. Okay. Shake, shake, shake. Get it all. Okay. I'm going to say that's good enough, and we will put that off to the side. Now let's go ahead and get the activator. So this one, we'll go ahead and take the lid off. Here we go. And oh, this one has a stopper in there too. So let me just pull that out. And nope, still not working. Okay. You have to cut the top. So we'll just take the whole lid right off and pour it in. Look at that activator go. Look, it's already starting to work. You can see the different color where the activators hit. Now let's go ahead and get our spoon and we will start stirring. And it's already changing into a nice slime consistency. We'll wiggle it around. Oh, look at it. It's already nice and stretchy. I think we should add some glitter. So let's go ahead and add a little bit of the glitter. And sorry, I'm just struggling to get the lid off. Here we go. We'll add a little bit of that nice purple glitter. So sparkly. A little bit more. Okay, let's mix that all in. This is actually a pretty easy kit. Okay, I think we're at the point where I am going to have to use my fingers. Yeah, it's not needing. It needs to be kneaded. So let's put the spoon away and I'm just going to mix it with my fingers. Look, oh, it's already stretchy. It is a little sticky. Let me get some more of that activator from the bottom. Okay, perfect. Oh, that's nice. I love playing with slime. I just love the feeling of it in my fingers. Do you guys like playing with slime? Let me know. Let's go ahead and, oh, it's just so much fun. I'm just trying to get the last little bit of the activator out of the bottom. And, oh, look at that. A little bit stuck to me. Oh, it's so pretty, but you can't see the sparkles very well. So I think I'm going to go ahead and add in some more of the sparkle. I do have to say, for $1.25 compared to some other slime kits, it's actually a really good deal. With the glue and the activator, usually I end up using my contact solution for activator, so this is much cheaper. And it's a nice translucent color, but I definitely think I'm going to add some more of the glitter just to give it that little bit more shine. But again, I can't get over it. $1.25 and you get this cool slime. Might be fun to add in all the other colors. And maybe just a little bit more of the activator because it is sticking just a little bit to my fingers. But oh, slime is so much fun. Yeah, let's go ahead and add in that glitter. And I'm struggling with the lid once again, so just give me 1 second. But yeah, it's still not quite the right texture. Let's add in the glitter. And I'm going to throw the whole thing in. Now you can see the glittery shine. Oh, it's even more beautiful than before. So I'm going to go ahead and mix it all in. Look at that slime. Oh, I have glitter all over me. It's going to need lots of kneading. I had so much fun with you guys today making Dollar Tree slime. Let me know what color slime we should make next time. I hope you guys enjoyed it too. Bye for now.